Good morning to all the students. This is lecture number 14 for the subject Power System 2. In today's topic, we are going to discuss regarding the construction of cables. So, figure below shows the construction of a three conductor cable. The various parts for that construction is as shown below. So, three core cable generally consists of cores, conductors, insulations, metallic sheet, bedding, armoring, serving. So when we are discussing regarding the various parts, one by one we have to discuss in detail regarding the cores or conductors, regarding the insulation, third one regarding the metallic sheet, fourth one the bedding, fifth one the armoring, then the sixth one is the serving. So when we look at this figure, so this figure completely explains the how the underground cables are constructed. So underground cables are constructed. The first part we have to understand in the construction of a underground cables are the conductors. We can name it as conductors, we can name it as core. हम या तो कंडक्टर का नाम यूज कर सकते हैं या तो हम कोर का नाम यूज कर सकते हैं. बोथ आर दी same names. The thing we have to focus is whether it is a single conductor cable or whether it is a three conductor cable, because in case of single conductor cable is mostly used for single phase supply, whereas three conductor cables from the construction it is showing that there are three conductors. So three conductors are mostly used for three phase service. So depending on the service needed, our cables or conductors used must be single conductor or three conductors. So over the conductors there is a insulation. जो कंडक्ट तीनों कंडक्टर्स के ऊपर जो इंसुलेशन यूज की गई है, दैट इंसुलेशन इज नोन एज पेपर इंसुलेशन. सो जो पेपर इंसुलेशन है, दैट इज द मटेरियल यूज फॉर पेपर इंसुलेशंस आर मोस्टली द impregnated paper और रबर मिनरल कंपाउंड. सो ये इसकी जो थिकनेस है दैट डिपेंड अपॉन द वोल्टेज टू बी विथस्टूड. कितनी ही वोल्टेज के लिए हम एक केबल कंडक्टर यूज कर रहे हैं, इसकी जो थिकनेस है पेपर इंसुलेशन की ऑफ वार्निश्ड कैम्ब्रिक और इम्प्रेगनेटेड पेपर, तो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगी. इस इंसुलेशन के ऊपर, होल इंसुलेशन के ऊपर एक और इंसुलेशन प्रोवाइड की गई है. दैट इंसुलेशन इज ऑफ मेटेलिक शीट. सो दिस insulation is generally provided to protect the cable from moisture and the damaging liquids present in the soil. So moisture से और जो damaging liquids को कोई present तो नहीं है soil में, उसके अगेंस्ट प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हमने इसके ऊपर जो है वो एक मेटेलिक शीट प्रोवाइड की है. सो इस मेटेलिक शीट के ऊपर हम अगेन एक बेडिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. जो हमारी बेडिंग है तो वो एक फाइब्रस मटेरियल की बनी रहती है. इसको हम जनरली प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम क्रोजन. क्रोजन के अगेंस्ट, क्योंकि जो केबल है वो सॉइल में बरीड की जाती है, तो क्रोजन के अगेंस्ट प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम इसमें यूज करेंगे बेडिंग को, ताकि वो क्रोजन के अगेंस्ट विथस्टैंड कर जाए. सो बेडिंग के ऊपर हम जो इंसुलेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं दैट इज आर्मरिंग. सो आर्मरिंग जो की जाती है वो जनरली गैल्वेनाइज्ड स्टील वायर की, जो स्टील वायर टेप की होती है आर्मरिंग. So armoring is generally provided to protect it against the mechanical injury. जो आर्मरिंग है वो जनरली प्रोवाइड की जाती है ताकि उसको मैकेनिकल इंजरी से हम प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें while laying it down. ठीक है. In order to provide the overall protection against atmospheric condition, a layer of fibrous materials, mostly jute like material, is being preferred to cover all the further sub-insulations the overall insulation is known as serving. So protect the cable from moisturing atmospheric moisture, or you can say that a layer of fibrous material is used over all other insulations. That layer of fiber made up of jute is generally known as the serving. So serving is basically used in order to provide the overall protection against it. So insulating materials for cables. So as there are many insulating materials available in the market for the insulation purposes, but the satisfactory operation of a cable depends upon the characteristics of the insulation used, because in an underground cable insulation plays a vital role. So there are many insulating materials used, rubber named as rubber, vulcanized VIR, Indian rubber, impregnated paper, varnished cambric, or polyvinyl chloride. So among these insulating materials used in cable, PVC insulating material is generally preferred for the low and medium domestic purposes. For the low and medium domestic purposes, for domestic lights and power installation. PVC insulation is generally obtained from the polymerization of acetylene and in the form of white powder. We mix together, so the resultant we get is polyvinyl chloride. So that insulating material PVC, it is known as PVC. So PVC insulating material is mostly preferred for domestic and light loads and power installations. ठीक है. Similarly, there are rubbers, VI rubbers, impregnant paper, and varnish chem. But the most used insulating material is PVC. This is all for today's topic. Thank you, guys.